Hello students, continuing the same chapter concept of perimeter and area, test paper 21. Now we are going to solve from question number 10 onwards. Now see question number 10. Perimeter of a square of a side 16 centimeter is. We have to find perimeter of a square whose side is 16 centimeter. 4 options are there. You have to pick one option from them. So let's solve it first and find out the correct answer. See the solution. Side of a square is 16 centimeter is given. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side. We know the formula, 4 into side. So 4 into 16, 64 centimeter. So perimeter of a square field of side 16 centimeter is 64 centimeter. Now see the next question number 11. The area of a rectangle is 240 meter square. Area is given 240 meter square of a rectangle and its length is 16 meter. Length is 16 meter. Then its breadth is. So we have to find its breadth. 4 options are there. We have to pick one options. First let's solve it and find out the correct answer. Given area of the rectangle is 240 meter square. Area is given. Length is given. Length is 16 meter. So its breadth equal to breadth. We have to find breadth. So formula to find out breadth is area upon length. Area divided by length. So area is given. Length is given. Divide करेंगे. Then we get 15 meter. So 15 meter is the correct answer of the question. Now moving on. Number 12. The area of a square lawn of side 15 meter is. We have to find the area of a square whose side is 15 meter. Now given side of the square lawn is 15 meter. So its area equal to, we know the formula, that side into side. So 15 into 15 meter square, 225 meter square is the right answer. Now moving on. Next question number 13. The area of a square is 256 centimeter square. Area of a square is given. Area is given. And we have to find out the perimeter of the square. We have to find out perimeter. So perimeter, before finding perimeter, we have to find the side of the square. Side is find करना होगा हमें. So let's say the solution. Given area of a square is equal to 256 centimeter square. Now area, we know that area equal to side into side. So put the value of area 256 centimeter square. Side into side or side square. Now transfer this square to the left side of the equal to. So we get this 256 in under root. Under root 256 centimeter. सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है तो अंडर रूट से सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर जो है वो निकल जाएगा तो सिर्फ सेंटीमीटर बचेगा. नाउ अंडर रूट 256 रूट के बाहर सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू साइड. साइड फाइंड आउट करना है ना, साइड. तो 256 किसका है? स्क्वायर. तो 16 इंटू 16 का स्क्वायर है 256. नाउ अंडर रूट है, रूट में स्क्वायर रूट में दो नंबर्स में से यानी पेयर में से एक नंबर बाहर निकालेंगे. पेयर में से एक नंबर बाहर निकालेंगे स्क्वायर रूट में. तो 16 इंटू 16 है अंडर रूट में तो एक बाहर निकल जाएगा 16 सेंटीमीटर. ये हमारा साइड मिल गया. अब सब साइड मिल गया देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट पेरीमीटर. सो पेरीमीटर इक्वल टू 4 इंटू साइड 4 इंटू 16 इक्वल टू 64 सेंटीमीटर इज द आंसर. नाउ मूविंग ऑन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 14. Area of a rectangle is 126 centimeter square. Area is given, length is given. So we have to find the breadth of the rectangle. 4 options are available here. We have to pick the right answer. So let's solve it. Area is given, length is given. So its breadth equal to area divided by length. Putting the value area upon breadth, solving it, and we get 10.5 meter is its breadth. तो ये रहा आपका सोल्यूशन टेस्ट पेपर 21 का फ्रॉम क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 to 14. सो सॉल्व इट इन योर मैथ CW कॉपी. थैंक यू.